passes fine. Give yourself space from the silver car.
Yes.
That'll be fine there. Okay, so what we're going to do is your manoeuvre. We're going to do a parallel park with that silver car in front of you, get yourself next to it, parallel, reverse back behind it, finishing reasonably close to the curb within 2 car lengths.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
In your own time when it's safe to do so.
Okay. I think I can go. I'm gonna wait for the white card.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah. If you can't go, you can't go. That's what you got to think like. I mean, the examiner's not going to chat to you like me. They might chat to you about different things, but you're right. If you can't go, you can't go. That's what you got to think. And that, you know, that car's taking its time because the car behind you, isn't it?
Yeah. So we might as well chill for a bit.
Yeah, you might as well have a tea break. So. But, you know, if you can see a gap starting to appear, then that's when you start thinking,
I'm just gonna...
right, I'm going to shut up now. Done?
Yeah, try my best.
Done? Yeah, let's check.
Actually, I think I'm done, but I feel like I'm not straight. That's the problem. Wait, let me fix this. I'll try and fix this. Okay, now I'm straight.
Right, drive on. Thank you. When it's safe to do
That
so.
was intense.
Was it?
Right.
When it's safe to do so, move off, please.
Yeah. Can't wait for the comments at the end.